Every day, millions of food containers bring convenience to our lives. But what lies beneath the surface of their simple lids?
It all starts with the humble plastic pellet, the fundamental building block, meticulously inspected for purity and consistency.
From storage, these pellets begin their grand transformation, guided by advanced automation into the heart of the factory. A rhythmic cascade as countless pellets pour into the massive hoppers, ready for the next crucial stage of transformation. Precision engineering guides every step. Temperature and pressure are meticulously monitored, ensuring perfect material consistency. From raw pellets, a molten stream emerges, forming a continuous, flawless sheet. This is the birth of the lid's foundation. Across a vast expanse, the plastic sheet is meticulously cooled and conditioned, preparing for its ultimate transformation. Each millimeter of the sheet undergoes rigorous inspection. Imperfections are detected with microscopic precision, ensuring absolute quality.
From the vast sheet, perfect circles are precision cut by robotic arms, each blank a promise of future functionality.
Within the thermoforming machine, a carousel of molds awaits. Heat begins its work, softening the...
In a flash, the flat plastic yields to pressure, instantly taking the form of a perfect lid. A precise, controlled metamorphosis. From the mold, perfectly formed lids are ejected, beginning their journey down the line, each one flawless and ready.
The edges are meticulously trimmed, perfecting each lid's form. Every removed piece is recycled, a commitment to sustainability.
An endless stream of perfectly trimmed lids journeys onward. Each one is scanned, ensuring absolute dimensional accuracy before the next step. Even with advanced technology, the human eye remains paramount. Skilled technicians conduct meticulous manual inspections, guaranteeing perfection.
The final touch, a high-precision laser etches the brand's mark, a seal of quality, a testament to superior craftsmanship.
Now branded, the lids glide towards automated stacking, forming perfect columns, ready for their final protective embrace.
Each stack is carefully placed into custom-designed, branded boxes, ensuring both protection and a premium presentation for our valued customers.
From our factory to your table, these meticulously crafted lids embark on their final journey, ready to serve their purpose globally.
Welcome to the heart of innovation, where raw materials undergo a meticulous transformation, guided by precision and expertise. Every batch of raw material faces stringent quality checks. Only the purest polymers are approved, forming the bedrock of our product.
Under the microscope, we delve into the molecular world, ensuring each pellet's internal structure meets our exacting standards. Approved materials are silently transported by intelligent AGVs, a ballad of automation, ensuring seamless flow throughout our advanced facility. Giant robotic cranes lift material skyward, feeding the towering silos. This vertical dance ensures a continuous supply for production. Vibrant additives flow, precisely measured, into the blending tanks. This careful mix defines the lid's unique properties and durability. In massive blending tanks, polymers and additives churn, creating a homogeneous, high-performance material ready for the next stage.
A precise sample is extracted from the blending tank, destined for rigorous testing.
In the lab, laboratórios, a recyclado this litemslis laboratórios laboratório precisely harbor polymplucidin.
A high-speed granulometer meticulously analyzes particle size. Homogeneity is key, guaranteeing a uniform and superior finished product. The perfectly extruded plastic sheet emerges, a continuous ribbon of potential. Its flawless surface promises durability and precision. Into the multi-stage cooling tunnel it glides. Controlled temperatures rapidly solidify the sheet, ensuring its structural integrity and stability. Holographic thermal maps provide real-time data, ensuring the cooling process is perfectly uniform, vital for preventing material stress. A protective coating is then meticulously applied, enhancing durability and surface finish. This invisible shield safeguards the lid's integrity. From raw pellets to a coated sheet, the primary processing line operates with breathtaking efficiency, a symphony of industrial precision.
The conditioned plastic sheet enters the cutting station. Here, advanced lasers await, poised to sculpt the intricate forms of our lids.
With surgical precision, Lasers carve intricate shapes from the plastic. Each cut is flawless, a test.
Spatulas. Robotic arms delicately pick each component, precisely sorting them. Every piece of scrap is detailed holographic blueprints guide our assembly. Each component's placement is meticulously planned, ensuring perfect form and function.
Tiny robotic arms perform a delicate ballet, assembling intricate lid components with breathtaking speed and...
At the thermal bonding station, intense heat permanently fuses components. This invisible bond ensures the lid's enduring strength and seal. Manual stress tests challenge each lid's durability. Our technicians ensure every product withstands real-world demands, guaranteeing reliability. Microscopic crack detection ensures every bonded seam is absolutely perfect. This advanced inspection guarantees unparalleled structural integrity. Fully assembled, these intricate lids embark on their final journey, heading towards meticulous cleaning, ensuring pristine perfection for every single unit.
Through the powerful UV sterilization chamber they pass. Intense blue light ensures absolute hygiene. Entering the clean room packaging machine, each lid is sealed in sterile film, safeguarding its purity until it reaches your hands.
This is the pinnacle of our process, the finishing and quality control clean room, where absolute perfection.
Every lid undergoes meticulous surface inspection. Under powerful magnification, our technicians ensure automated optical inspection systems scan every surface. Microscopic defects are instantly detected. The final touch, a specialized gasket is precisely applied, guaranteeing a perfect, leak-proof seal for every single food container. The final, elegant touch. A thermal press embosses our logo, a subtle mark of quality. Our production management control center monitors every metric. Data-driven decisions ensure peak efficiency and the final inspection conveyor. Every lid undergoes rigorous scrutiny, verifying dimensional accuracy and surface integrity, guaranteeing absolute perfection. Final touch. A specialized gasket is precisely applied, guaranteeing a perfect, leak-proof seal for every single food container.
Robotic arms gently stack the flawless lids into custom-designed, branded boxes. This automated precision...
Our quality assurance managers meticulously inspect every packaged box, ensuring our premium standards are met, from product to presentation. A tamper-evident seal secures each box, guaranteeing product integrity and authenticity. Your safety and trust are our highest priorities.
Tame. Robotic forklifts gracefully lift pallets to towering shelves, optimizing storage space.
Engagement. From our global logistics control center, we orchestrate seamless distribution worldwide. Our reach ensures...
Finally, our meticulously packaged lids are loaded into shipping containers, ready to embark on their global journey, connecting our factory to your home.
Behold the culmination. A perfectly formed lid, elegant in its simplicity. Red.
Look how fresh the salad still is.
It's delicious. Dad,
Tell the story about the squirrel again.
Our journey begins with vast reserves of raw material. Each bag, a promise of the quality and precision to come.
Every raw material shipment is digitally tracked, ensuring seamless inventory management and just-in-time delivery for an efficient production flow. Inside the mixing drum, vibrant pellets swirl, blending perfectly. This ensures uniform color and consistent material properties for every lid. Precision drying ovens meticulously remove all moisture, a critical step that prevents defects and ensures the ultimate strength of our lids. A powerful vacuum system swiftly transports preheated pellets into the extrusion machines, maintaining purity and ensuring continuous flow. From digital design to tangible reality, 5-axis CNC machines precisely carve our molds from perfectly crafted molds are transported to the thermoforming line. These intricate tools are the heart of our high-volume production.
A gleaming new mold is precisely installed into our thermoforming machine. The stage is set for high-volume, precision lid production.
Our digital twin technology provides real-time insights, optimizing every molding cycle. This innovation ensures peak efficiency and consistent quality. Perfectly molded lid blanks are swiftly cooled. This rapid process maintains their structural integrity, preparing them for the next stage. Into the trimming and punching machine they flow. Sharp dies precisely cut and shape each lid, transforming blanks into functional components. Precision dies punch vent holes and intricate features. Each thwack is a testament to mechanical exactitude, creating perfect functionality. Dimensional quality control is paramount. Digital calipers meticulously measure each lid, ensuring micron-level accuracy for a perfect fit. Towards the edge shaping station they advance. Heated rollers precisely curl each lid's rim, creating the perfect, comfortable seal.
Now perfectly shaped, the lids enter automated visual inspection. High-speed cameras meticulously scan every surface, ensuring absolute aesthetic perfection.
Dimensional quality control is paramount. Digital calipers meticulously measure each lid, ensuring micron-level accuracy for a perfect fit. Flawed lids are swiftly rejected by robotic arms. Our uncompromising quality standards ensure only perfection continues down the production line.
Sections. In our Data Analysis Center, SPC charts guide continuous improvement. We constantly refine
final cleaning and polishing. Soft brushes and air jets meticulously prepare each lid, ensuring a pristine finish and absolute perfection. Now gleaming, the lids enter automated packaging. Each one is individually wrapped in food-grade film, preserving its pristine condition. Robotic arms meticulously place individually wrapped lids into branded cartons. Precision packaging ensure.
Smart packaging design optimizes every carton, ensuring maximum protection and efficient shipping. Innovation safeguards.
Sealed cartons move towards automated palletizing. Robotic precision ensures stable, secure stacks.
Automated wrapping machines secure each pallet in protective film. This ensures product safety and stability during long-distance transit, guaranteeing pristine arrival.
Each pallet receives a unique QR code, enabling seamless tracking and traceability throughout the entire global supply chain, ensuring accountability.
Dunson. Our warehouse logistics control room offers real-time tracking of every pallet. This ensures swift dispatch.
Autonomous trucks receive their cargo, ready for the road. This cutting-edge logistics ensures rapid, secure, and highly efficient product delivery.
The final mile, revolutionized. Drones deliver our lids to urban hubs, ensuring rapid, efficient, and innovative last-mile distribution.
Silently, autonomously, our products journey across vast landscapes. The future of logistics.
The unboxing experience, a pristine lid, beautifully presented, fulfilling its promise of quality and convenience in your own home.
Experience practical elegance and effortless sealing. The perfect click ensures superior food preservation, simplifying your routine. Inside your refrigerator, our lids stand guard, preserving freshness, extending shelf life, and promoting a healthier, more organized lifestyle.
From school lunches to daily snacks, our lids ensure every meal is fresh, safe, and delicious, bringing joy to every bite. Beyond preservation, our lids elevate presentation. For culinary enthusiasts and professionals, they are the perfect blend of form and function. For every adventure, our lids provide rugged reliability, keeping your food secure and fresh, no matter where your journey takes you.
Our commitment extends to sustainability. Life cycle assessments guide our efforts to minimize environmental impact.
Recycled pellets flow into new product molds, demonstrating our commitment to a circular economy. Sustainability is embedded in every single lid.
We proudly present lids crafted from recycled materials, a tangible commitment to environmental stewardship.
The journey continues. Discarded lids enter industrial shredders, beginning their transformation back into valuable raw material, closing the loop.
Shredded plastic flakes are meticulously sorted, with powerful magnets removing any contaminants. This ensures purity for their next life.
Lesson. Through rigorous washing and drying, recycled flakes are purified, meticulously prepared to become new, high-quality.
Recycled pellets undergo the same rigorous quality control as virgin materials. Purity confirmed.
The loop is complete. Purified recycled pellets flow back into our raw material silos,
From our factory to your local store, our lids are readily available, a symbol of quality and convenience within reach of every household.
Chosen for quality, trusted for freshness, our lids become an essential part of your daily life, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase.
From a tiny pellet to a global presence, our lids connect millions, ensuring freshness, convenience, and a brighter, more sustainable future for all.